Welcome to Learning English with Captain Biography, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Joseph's College, Calicut, Kerala. Today we discuss one of the most important playwrights of the 21st century, and the playwright is Tracy Letts. Tracy Letts is an American playwright. Osage County is the best drama of Tracy Letts. We are discussing the play. We will look at the characters. We will go for an analysis of the plot, the incidents, the themes. First, let us have a discussion of the biographical details of Tracy Letts, the playwright. Tracy Letts is born in Tulsa and raised in Durant, Oklahoma. He struggled through an awkward childhood fraught with familial strife and generational trauma. His grandfather's suicide and his grandmother's subsequent pill addiction when Letts was just 10 years haunted him throughout his early career as a struggling actor, and would eventually become the framework for his Pulitzer Prize winning drama, Osage County, the very play we discussed today. Letts' parents, writers and academics encouraged his creative side throughout his youth. Letts moved to Los Angeles in his early 20s to pursue an acting career, but found life in Hollywood both difficult and unfulfilling. He then moved to Chicago and began an apprenticeship at the prestigious Steppenwolf Theatre Company, where he honed his skills as an actor, writer, and director, and composed plays such as Killer Joe and Man from Nebraska. Following the success of Osage County, Letts began taking on more and more acting roles. He appeared in a celebrated revival of Edward Albee's Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf, and later appeared in prominent roles in the TV drama Homeland and in the TV program Lady Bird. Letts is married to the actress Carrie Coon and was in 2018 a finalist for the Pulitzer Prize for Drama for his play The Minutes. Now we are looking at the historical context of the play Osage County. In August of 2007, America was on the verge of a great change. The presidency of George W. Bush, during which the September 11th attacks and the retaliatory war on terror unfolded, was about to enter its final year. Bush and his family, including his father, former President George H.W. Bush, and his brother Jeb, a former governor of Florida, had a large accumulation of personal wealth and social political power. The idea of familial inheritance, dynastic weight, and the clamor for wealth and control that family symbolized within American history is evident in the pages of Osage County. The play's central concern, the death of the patriarch of a troubled family, both mirrors and foreshadows the changes that would come to America in the subsequent years in the form of the staggering 2008 financial crisis and the election of Barack Obama, the first black president of the United States. We have a number of books which have a lot of similarity and which are related to Osage County of Tracy Letts. Now, let us look at the books which are related to Osage County. Osage County has its roots in the family dramas of Eugene O'Neill, Tennessee Williams, and Sam Shepard. O'Neill's masterpiece, Long Day's Journey into the Night, which takes over the course of one very long day in the lives of the Tyrant family, whose patriarch is dying of tuberculosis and whose matriarch is addicted to morphine, is like Osage County, based heavily on the playwright's own experiences of watching his family fight, fall ill, and disintegrate. Long Day's Journey notably features a character whose function is similar to Jonah's in August, a young maid named Kathleen, who serves as an outsider living in the family home and is seen far over her head when it comes to caring for such damaged, self-destructive individuals. Tennessee Williams' The Glass Menagerie, a memory play also based on the playwright's own life. It takes place in a claustrophobic house dominated by an out-of-touch, delusional matriarch. Sam Shepard's Buried Child, also a recipient of the Pulitzer Prize for Drama, deals with themes and motives of abuse, incest, and estrangement and focuses on the symbolic relationship between the figure of the patriarch and the idea of the American dream. Now, let us understand a little bit about the success of the play Osage County, or extra credits which have gone for the play. Hollywood treatment. In 2013, Osage County was adapted into a film starring Meryl Streep and Julia Roberts, with an ensemble cast of lauded actors including Ewan McGregor, Benedict Cumberbatch, Chris Cooper, and Sam Shepard. The film received mixed reviews but earned Academy Award nominations for Julia Roberts and Meryl Streep. Letts wrote the screenplay for the film, and though his nearly 3-hour play had to be cut considerably for the screen, he has stated in interviews that he is proud of the film and grateful that it gave wider audiences the chance to see his story of an American family in crisis. Now we have to look at the important characters of the play Osage County. That is in the next video lecture. Thank you.